Hey guys, Sean here from Hammerhead. I'm just doing an update on Lindsay's court case yesterday. I had an email from her last night, but she was too tired to talk, and for obvious reasons. But if you guys that are supporting her, you want to know what's going on, I'm going to give you an update. I'll read you a text message that her mother sent me a few minutes ago about what happened yesterday. And this is about what you can expect when you're dealing with tyrants. Here's what she said. The bond is crucial right now. We must go after them as soon as possible. The judge is inexperienced in refusing to take her claims seriously about the danger of the boyfriend and jurisdictional facts, and planning to proceed next scheduled pretrial April 28th. We need to get the kids back before then. It's already been 3 months and the kids are being harmed. However, Lindsay stayed on her common law square at family court yesterday, putting everything into writing, even though they had held her in custody and assaulted her and hauled her into court to the bar section against her will. They did this because she refused to go in without all her supporters present. Judge tried to ignore her writings while in court, but Martin and I delivered her writings to the judge for the record afterwards, as there was no bailiffs present in the court. After that, with a fraudulent warrant with no signature or bond certificate number attached, they hauled her down to provincial court for a bogus charge of not appearing on November 23rd. Remember when she got out of jail last time? Oh, by the way, she's never been officially charged with anything, not even jaywalking. So they took her to provincial court right after this fiasco with the judge, where they roughed her up and everything else. Don't worry, they got it all on video. What they did is they said she didn't appear for the November 23rd court date, but they booked 2 court dates at the exact same time. So this is the kind of things they do, guys, right? While she was in custody yesterday, they were informed her fee schedule was enacted at provincial court. They could not establish jurisdiction, so had to release her around 3 p.m. yesterday. She's out free today. We are doubling down now. Must get this judge recused, charged, and get true justice. So that's what happened yesterday. So they threw her in jail and all this other garbage, and they never even charged her with anything. And in fact, when she enacted her fee schedule at 3 o'clock, the provincial judge was informed of this. They released her immediately. So this tells me that they don't have a clue how to proceed. They're doing the April 23rd pretrial because they can't get jurisdiction over Lindsay, because she's standing on her square like I told her to. And good on her, man. This takes a lot of bravery and a lot of skill to be roughed up by these swine and be able to stand up to them and still keep your head and keep cool and stand on your common law square. And for those of you naysayers that say common law doesn't work, well, it does work. Okay? It's working right now. And not only that, I know several people that have used it to get their kids back from CPS and whatnot, and other things as well. You'll never read about it in any law journal because they try and hide it every chance they get. There'll never be a precedent set in common law. They don't want that out there. So good for you, Lindsay. You're doing well. Hope to talk to you later today. I can give you some more advice and we can continue from there. So what I told her to do now is to make sure that all the parties involved get an updated bill as to what they owe. And I told her I've suggested the figure of $1,000 a minute per child to hold her property. So that should be a fairly substantial bill. Make sure you get it to everybody that's involved in this. Get them an updated bill, and also go after that fraudulent warrant that they used yesterday to take you to provincial court, because it wasn't even signed by anybody, and it had no bond number attached. So it's complete farce. And if there was a real arrest warrant, how come there's no charges? You know why? Because they didn't have anything they could charge you with. They're just trying to scare. It's all scare tactics, right? They're trying. 99% of the people would poop their pants, right? But obviously Lindsay's got strong moral fiber, strong character. She's not scared of these tyrants, and that's exactly how you have to deal with this. Let them do the worst. Let them threaten to lynch you. Doesn't matter. They can't do a thing. If you stand up to these people, they can't do nothing. They can throw you in the clink and pretend that they're going to, oh, you'll never see the light of day and we're going to do this to you and that. They can't do a thing. It's all fluff. It's all powder and mirrors. That's all it is. So remember that. But anyway, that's your update for now. As soon as I can get her on the phone, maybe I'll do a live stream with some more updates. So she's okay. She was roughed up a bit yesterday when she was in custody. They have it all documented. They have pictures taken of it. They have it all documented. So they're not going to get away with this. So in any case, that's all I got to tell you guys right now. Make sure you share these videos. You don't know how important it is to help to get the public notice out that this is what happens when you stand up for your rights in Canada. And if you stand in common law, this is the kind of tricks that they pull, like having 2 court dates at the exact same time, knowing that you're not going to be able to make one of them so that they can come and try and arrest you later. This is the type of things they do, guys. This is what they're going to continue to do. And don't think for a second that you're immune to any of this, because it could be your door they're knocking on next, and will be. We have to learn how to stand up for each other, and that includes sharing this stuff on social media so everybody knows what's happening. So please share these videos. Subscribe to this channel. I'm going to give you all the information I ever get about this type of thing. So anyway, I'll have another video in regards to some other topic here very soon, probably this weekend. But